A superseding indictment was filed yesterday against former BVI Premier Andrew Fahie and Oleanvine Maynard, former Managing Director of the BVI Ports Authority, that adds racketeering charges to the charges already pending against them. The pair have been newly accused of having knowingly traveled in interstate and foreign commerce with the intent to promote, manage, establish, carry on, and facilitate the aforementioned in respect to an unlawful activity, that is, a business enterprise involving narcotics or controlled substances. That alleged behavior is in violation of Title 21, Section 963 of the U.S. Code. If convicted of the charge of interstate and foreign travel in aid of racketeering, Fahie and Maynard will each face a maximum penalty of 5 years in prison and a fine of up to $250,000. The pre-existing charges against the former premier and ports boss include conspiracy to import a controlled substance, conspiracy to engage in money laundering, and attempted money laundering. Kadeem Maynard, Oleanvine's son, is also charged with the same conspiracy and attempted money laundering offenses, but is not included in the new racketeering charges. While Fahie is confined to one of his daughter's residence under strict release conditions while awaiting trial scheduled for January, the Maynards remain in a Miami detention facility. U.S. officials in the superseding indictment also announced their intention to go after any property owned by the defendants in the United States if the upcoming trial results in convictions. Either property derived from the proceeds of the offenses for which they are convicted, or if any such property has either been sold, placed beyond the reach of the court, diminished in value, or commingled in such a way that it cannot easily be divided, substitute property that the court can seize for forfeiture.